TikTok just dropped some powerful new text and accessibility features, and I want to walk you through them and why they matter. Normally, TikTok would allow you to upload an image and you can write descriptions so screen readers know what's in it. Now, TikTok allows it to be very plain and simple. So once you click on the plus button and you head over to text, this is where all the excitement happens. So now you can create image of your text. So here it says you can try creating text images. So enter any text and we'll create stylish images of it. And above it shows you an example of what it is that you could possibly type. So I'm going to ask a question about a movie, seeing that the example given was something pertaining to movie. This is going to be thrown out to my audience so they can interact with me. So I'm going to ask, what is the most trending TV show right now? I'm going to select next. Here it is creating some templates for me to use, and I can swipe through all of these styles below and I'm free to use any one that I like, and I can choose this one. Now what this allows is, instead of creating a design from, let's say, Canva for instance, and then importing it into TikTok, TikTok's new text feature allows you to just create your own design here and publish immediately to your followers. You can also add music to your image. So TikTok always has its set beat that is used to any video or image that you might post, but you can always go and edit it and choose from various commercial sounds that are shown below. Also, with this new text feature, TikTok now supports bold text mode, so you can choose between the various bold fonts that you're seeing here. So it is easy for everyone to read, especially if you're struggling with your vision. If your device settings have bold text enabled, TikTok will reflect that in its interface, making all the text in minus, captions, etc. appear more bolder for better readability. While these updates may seem subtle, they are very powerful because they make your content more inclusive, easier to read, and more accessible to all viewers. And it also creates engagement between you and your followers. And that is it, guys. Very easy and very simple.